1957 Chevrolet Bel Air, finished in this beautiful candy apple red, merlot color is what I call it. Sits on the torque thrust wheels, and they look great. Boy, I tell you. The underbelly of this car has been painted the same color. So this car went through a body off restoration about 10 years ago and still looks fabulous. All of the chrome finish on it, all of the trim, wheels, tires, glass, weather stripping, door handles, all are in really, really great condition. All around this Bel Air. Okay, the reflection runs a mile deep. Let's check out what's under the hood real quick, guys. $350 rebuilt. You got the new power disc brakes with master cylinder, the chrome alternator, chrome power steering pump, the aluminum radiator, the aluminum intake, 4-barrel Holley carb, cold vintage air, and a huge fan. Look how gorgeous this thing is. You want to drive across the country? You want to have cold air conditioning and be reliable? That's what this is. Beautiful interior, guys. Door jambs, like I said, weather stripping. Interior is beautiful. All the seat belts are intact. Beautiful headliner, tilt wheel, rosewood steering wheel. Excellent painted matched dash here, as you can see. Love this thing. Oh, baby. Auto sound, stereo, Bluetooth, digital clock, all your functions here. Turn signals work, wipers work, lights work. Sounds great. Love it. Now, for financing, if you need it, you will need good credits. Any credit score really over 650 and higher. Again, good credit, good job, good income. Based off your credit profile, you will need 10% down of the purchase price of this Bel Air. You can roll in your taxes and your delivery if needed. For those of you who have a credit score of over 780, I have a no money down option available for you guys. I will need you to shoot me a text or call. I can get you that information. If you need financing, like I said, mgmclassiccars.com, upper right-hand corner. That's where you'll find the credit application under the finance tab. For delivery, you can call or text me with your zip code, and I'll get you a quote. Okay. You got the pen handy. My number is 847-848-1850. My name is Thomas. I have over 185 cars in my collection. You guys can check that out at mgmclassiccars.com. One more thing. Look at this. You ready? Yep, that's what I'm talking about. Beautiful, beautiful restoration. Call or text 847-848-1850. My name is Thomas. Thanks for watching, guys, gals. MGM Classic Cars.